What powers your phone or electric car? Lithium batteries. In this short lecture, we'll cover what they are, how they work, their key parts, and a few safety tips. A lithium battery stores energy by moving lithium ions between two electrodes. Because lithium is light and reactive, these cells deliver high energy in a small package. Four key parts: anode, usually graphite; cathode, lithium metal oxide; electrolyte, ion conductor; and separator, thin film that prevents short circuits. Charging pushes lithium ions from the cathode into the anode, while electrons enter via the charger. Discharging reverses this. Ions go back to the cathode, and electrons flow through your device, powering it. They power phones, laptops, electric vehicles, and grid storage. Advantages: high energy density, low self-discharge, and rechargeability. Don't puncture or crush batteries. Avoid extreme heat, use the correct charger, and recycle old batteries responsibly. That's lithium batteries in under 2 minutes. Subscribe for more quick tech explainers. Thanks for watching.